On this Indianapolis road trip, stopped at a antique store, and things were priced reasonably there. I mean, they weren't all out of price. Some of the things were a little high, but it was uh, it was the prices were fair anyway. I picked something up in that antique store here, and so I'm gonna get this, go through and repaint it all, and it had like LED things in there that were taped in that weren't correct. You can see where it originally had like a socket, probably with a bulb face in each way, that attached to an electrical box. So I'm going to re-electrify this, repaint it all, clean it up, repaint it, and hang it above one of my doors. Look at this big old dumbwaiter here. It goes up quite a ways. It's all button. I remember as a kid, my mom at the A&P grocery store would use one of these to grind the coffee. Pretty neat. Yeah, there's a lot of interesting stuff in this. We're in the second floor. There's multiple floors. These are the only two fans I've seen. Look at the size of this base. It's too bad somebody ruined it. I mean, to give you a perspective, that thing's huge. That's an Emerson. I don't think sorry about my fingers, I don't think the tag's legible. Does anyone recognize what this is? I suppose if you're from maybe a dry county somewhere, you might. Oh, yeah, that's part of an old still. That's what most of the fans are like in here. Other fan that, yeah, I don't know how old that is, but it's an Eskimo. That's for the leaf blower. My mom had this exact same set of dishes. Yeah, that's crazy what they're trying to get for it. This lamp requires a video. I had the exact tray. I sold it in a garage sale. This is the building that we just saw those antiques in.